40 years later, the 23,000 lives lost to a preventable disaster. This November marks 40 years since 23,000 people died in a single night, not from an earthquake or tsunami, but from volcanic mudflows. And much of the tragedy could have been prevented. On November 13, 1985, Colombia's Nevado del Ruiz volcano erupted, triggering lahars, fast-moving volcanic mudflows that buried the town of Armero under an average of about 5 meters of debris. In a matter of hours, nearly 23,000 people were dead. The most haunting detail? Scientists had been warning for nearly a year. Colombian and international volcanologists prepared hazard maps identifying Armero as being in a high-risk lahar zone. Yet many of these maps were poorly designed, lacked clear legends, or never reached the residents. In some versions, the risk zones were simplified to the point that Armero appeared outside immediate danger. History had already given ample warning. Lahars from Nevado del Ruiz had devastated the same river valleys in 1595 and 1845, with the 1845 event killing about 1,000 people near what later became Armero. Despite this, officials delayed evacuation, worried about economic impacts and the risk of false alarms. We've seen this pattern repeatedly: technical warnings that fail to become actionable public safety measures. The lesson from Armero is not just about volcanoes, it's about the human systems that fail to act on scientific evidence. 4 decades later, the line between catastrophe and survival still comes down to one thing: listening to scientists before it's too late.